Hey, how's it going? This is TJ Taurai Jack, the co-managing partner at M5 Property Addicts. Yeah, you got it right. I'm a little bit excited today. I am actually on my way out going to Riversdale, one of our big projects. Not really a big project, but whew, big in terms of it has just taken us quite a long time to conclude the stuff that we discovered in that house when we were busy renovating it. But look, it was a dump. It was a big dump, and we bought it almost for nothing. We turned it around. The house used to be a druggy house. The house used to be perceived as a ghost house. But I am so glad that we've turned things around. We've made that house a pretty house. So yeah, join me. I'm going to show you a video of how I found this house, right? Before we actually moved in. And I'm actually on my way now to going through to this place. And I'm going to show you on this video how we found it, right? And I mean, what it looked like when I came through to see it. The same estate agent that I found this house is the same estate agent that is selling this house for us. So this is cool, amazing. We've found other properties in between, but I'm enjoying this journey that I've started taking on. So this place is quite cool. It used to be a 2-bed, kind of like a 1-bath. We've turned it around into a 3-bed, 1, 2 baths. And I'm gonna show you what it used to look like, right, before we turned it around to what it is. So enjoy, don't be scared, because the pretty part of it is coming through at the end. Cheers. Yeah. Okay. This is the house. Apparently this is a deceased house, so this is the neighbor's house, which looks so nice. They've got a cottage there. If you look further down there, that is the garage. We're going to go there now. This is the outside. Okay, it's got a little bit of a lower roof. Okay, and we're going in. Okay, this looks like a scullery, sort of like, or should I say, that's what I'm thinking we can make it. This was a bathing room. We can make it a kitchen because this is the entrance of the house. It hasn't been vandalized too bad though, compared to what I saw yesterday. This is I think lounge, sort of like. Can make it. All right. The roof was a little bit low. I mean, it's an old house, so it's cool. And then this is the dining. So we said lounge, dining, yes. So we can make this the dining. And the dining's got, that's like a triple wall or something like that. Okay, it goes out there. And it goes into a veranda of sort. Which is cool, I think. And this is the main bedroom. It's small. Let's see, 1, 2. It's a 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a 3 by 4. It's a very tiny bedroom. The smell is bad in here. Okay, this is the bathing room. Could leave it like this, and we could split this right somewhere here, and we can make that a walk-in wardrobe. And coming next door here, this we could make a bedroom and extend. There's a little bit of a area there outside. We could just make that a bathing room, shower of sort. This is also was the old kitchen. Could make this a bedroom and also have the shower from outside there. So all in all, now we have bedroom 1, bedroom 2, bedroom 3, men in suit. We're going back, and we are in the lounge. could possibly break away this to make, if it's not structural, to make it nice and big. Or we could make it pillar like, but you can see how thick the wall is there. That looks like almost like a quadruple wall. Okay, cool. We're going out. I'm going to take another different video so that you can remember when I came here out here, this was a big jungle here. But we've turned it around. This is the outside of this property, and it's all looking good now. We've got a bit of gardening that we've started doing here with the guys that were staying here when we were doing the reno. And kind of like today is our last day on this project because it's fully done now. Yeah, as you can see, this used to be a jungle. There used to be, apparently they used to call it the ghost house here, but we've turned things around. Got a gardening out there. Let's just go in quickly inside, right? If we remember what this place looked like. I mean, it's been a long time coming, but this is it. Looking pretty. Tiles all over. Nicely painted. Beautiful. One of those happy days for me. It's been long coming. We're here now. Okay. There's a toilet in here. A little bit of better lighting. Right. There we go. Done. That's the guest. We've got all of our electricals in this room here. Completely done now. Yeah. This is the master's bedroom. Nice tiles. We started tiling and we couldn't get these tiles anywhere else. But now we're done. The master's bedroom. Bathing room. Quite a big place. Okay. It's all looking beautiful now. Yeah. There we go. It's got your own shower. Out here. Oh, nice. So that's the master's together with the bedroom. Master's bedroom together with its in an own suite. And here is bedroom number 1. Again, nicely done. Beautiful. This looks good. Nicely tiled all over the show. And it's got a full bath in here. The sink not totally clean, but there now it's nicely sorted. And the toilet's that side. Alright. It's on shower here. And this room here is sharing a study. So if you've got like siblings staying in here, so this will be their study here. Going into the other bedroom. Boom. Oh yeah. This place looks nice now. We've turned this neighborhood. Actually just turned this place by just converting this place alone into what it is now. We've just given life into the street alone. I mean, they used to call it the ghost house. No longer a ghost house, beautiful house it is. They used to call it the druggy house. Turned it around, no longer a druggy house. Look how beautiful it is before we go into the kitchen. The guys that did these kitchens had to travel like 80 kilometers away. I couldn't get anyone to do our cupboards in this area. Beautiful. Yeah. Stoves been plugged in, cupboards all over. Nice, spacious. Whoever will be staying here will probably appreciate and enjoy this. Nice food will be made in here. And for those other ladies that need to hide their dishes, nice place where you can hide your dishes. Yeah, this is it. We're done. Over and out. The Riversdale project, it is done. The place is no longer a jungle, and yeah, the place is done. Palisade fence all over the shore. This wasn't here before, and we've just turned it all around. The gardening looks pretty. Those are the boards for our estate agent. yeah, the board is out. Yeah, so now cha-ching is coming through. Woohoo! Yeah, so this is it. We're done today. One of those exciting long projects that we've had, but we're done now. Over and out. TJ from M5 Property Addicts. Boom.